I'm going between the following: the podcast on podcasting, how to grow a podcast, and maybe I'll throw a couple others out. And then I'll say, just for better context, my perfect listener is going to be somebody who is brand new at launching a podcast. They're not sure how to grow it. They don't want to handle all of the hard stuff. They'd rather work with somebody that can solve their problems with the least amount of effort on their part so they can be the star of their show. That might be something where I would write that on my Facebook. And then I'll put like an emoji pointing down that basically says, let me know in the comments which one you like best. Let me know in the comments if any of these would work. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and opinions on the podcast title. Okay, something like that. And that's your call to action. Remember, hook, story, offer. Hook, story, offer. The hook, something that grabs the attention. The story is what you really want to tell them. And the offer is the thing that you want them to do. So with my clients, a lot of times when we sit down and we're launching a show like this, we'll do this hook, story, offer, because when we ask the person to actually to comment below, a couple of magical things happen. Magic happens, okay, with this seeding process, with this pre-launch process.